Hello everyone, it's Brett here, Lionheart84, and I thought I'd give you an update on the progress with my chocolate vines. It's Akebia Quinata. It's quite a large variation in size of the fruits. You look at those ones there, they're quite substantial in the middle of September, and yet others are very small. I think the vine's got far too many fruits on it, and also we've had a very dry summer, but nevertheless it's put enough energy into some of them that you can see we're gonna get a lot of fruits again this year. Far too many to be able to eat them, and they're a bit of a pain to eat anyway because they're full of very bitter seeds, so they really have to be processed and put through a colander or sieve to get rid of the seeds, and then you can just pulp the flesh and drink it, mix it with some water. It's quite a strong jelly like flesh, but just thought you'd like to see what they look like. And now these are probably going to start to ripen any time in the next 2 to 3 weeks, and they turn a lovely blue colour. Leaves and things dropping on me, making me jump. Sort of spiders and bugs, but these are a long way. These are still quite some way from being ready. They may actually been held back by the fact that it's been so dry, because I think they'd have swollen more if we'd had more rain. But of course now we're in September, we are getting rain. But there's dozens and dozens and dozens on the plant. I've got two types here. I've got a cream flowered one which produces slightly paler fruits, more yellowy creamy colour, so those could be those ones. And when they ripen to a much lighter colour. They're not a sort of a deepish lilac-y blue. And then the greener ones, the darker green ones, tend to be a much deeper shade of lilac when they ripen. But this is a monster, this vine. Look at the size of the stem at the bottom, huge. And the one in the middle is the cream one, and there's another purple flowered one there, because they are not self-fertile. So obviously I've made sure that I planted two completely different, genetically different plants. I mean, you can have two blue ones, but they have to be from different sources. It's no good if they originated from the same parent plant, because you won't have genetic diversity and they won't set fruits. But I originally bought one purple one from France before Brexit, one purple one from the UK, and of course a cream flowered one, because you know the cream flowered one's going to be different genetics. So since then I've had amazing fruit set, and it's far too many fruits to eat. And they're quite a decent size, but they're very unusual looking. It's just a shame that they're not a tastier fruit with less seeds, otherwise they'd be very popular commercially. So that's my chocolate vine update for September. Obviously once they start ripening and splitting open, I'll do another short video for people who are interested and haven't watched the older videos on my channel, because obviously I've got plenty of videos from previously on these chocolate vines, and that's Akebia Quinata. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, share that video if you think people are going to be interested. Remember to click on the bell if you haven't already subscribed, it's free. And please do it's free to click on the bell, it's free to subscribe as well, but click on the bell if you'd like to know when new videos come out, so you can see these when they turn that lovely blue colour. See you on the next video. Brett out for now.